How to create an Excel import automation. There can be many reasons why you would like to import Excel into a business system. It could be you would like to import timesheets into your salary system. You need to upload project reporting and project management data. You need to upload sales or product data. Your work requires batch upload of data. You are migrating data into a new system. Here is an example of how Cognifirm is used to import users from an Excel sheet into HubSpot, but it could have been any online business system. The high-level aim when you transfer data from Excel to a business system is always the same. You would like to migrate a dataset from one system to another. That is what Cognifirm has been designed to do for you. The application runs in your browser, and you can build Excel import automation into any online system in minutes without code. Cognifirm lets you do what you do best, and that is probably not Excel copy and pasting.